is it that they spoke? What is it that I should speak? We did a lot of to and fro on that, and because that's the most important scene, we can't get it wrong. That's how we watched it quite well.
I think available on Amazon Prime. I think you all, if you wish, you can watch it again. Yeah.
It's like a kind of a must during Shivratri, whenever it is like it takes you on. It's an emotion. Those who love Rajkumar sir.
See, we were excited when Shiv Rajkumar sir supposed to do some character. We were excited that first Rajkumar sir did a role of
Yes.
Kanappa, then he played Lord Shiva and his son played Kanappa.
So the character,
And
what
then
we
again-
wanted to, we thought, okay, we need him to be in the movie in some place of his stature, of course, which would have been great, but unfortunately we couldn't adjust the dates.
You told the journey started from 2015. It's 2025 right now. So how is this decade-long journey? Your
See,
preparations.
you always think that my market is not big enough. This is a large span movie. Let the other film be a hit. After that, we can expand them. But one thing is that which I learned is that you should seize the opportunity. I think I wasted 4 or 5 years waiting for the right opportunity. The right opportunity is now, and you should grab it. Customer, Nastamo, you believe in a dream, go ahead.
How about your preparations,
See,
physically or mentally?
Mentally, I had to be strong. Even now, mentally, with everything which is happening around the movie, one thing which I learned from elders, my father, is that to be mentally strong, irrespective of whatever it is. It is like being at 2015. I didn't know when I was going to do it, but I started working on the script. I went and saw locations. I saw Australia. I saw 3 places in United States. I went to United Kingdom, London, outskirts of London, Scotland, Ireland. There's a very famous Viking series. I went to their locations also. I saw those locations, and then I went to Malaysia. And then someone said, go to New Zealand. I said, it's very expensive. So I said, okay, fine. The last trip I did was in 2019, before the COVID. I went to New Zealand. And when I saw that, I felt my story being played there. I said, okay, this is the place whenever Lord Shiva gives me permission, this is where I'm going to do the movie. That's all.
Physical preparation, stunts.
Physical preparation, I had to be without, a proper dressing in the entire movie. And I thought, how will a warrior look? When you look at him, you should feel like, this is a warrior. That's a tribal warlord. For me, in those days, everybody were tribes and everybody were warriors because they had to hunt for their food. They had to fend for themselves. And this is where I thought, okay, now I can show the kind of body which I can. So, I have a local coach in Hyderabad, then I brought someone in from Vegas. We trained, and to look physically the character. And to maintain that character, right now I'm at 87 kgs. I want to drop down some more. During this photo shoot, I was 100 exactly. And there was no way I can maintain them. My arm size was 20 inches. Now it is 16. It's very difficult to maintain that body, to dance with that body. It's challenging.
So he already spoke about that. I just want to elaborate a little bit. When we talk about the preparation of a character, we always talk about physicality, that how you prepare yourself physically. But the most important thing for an actor and as a director for me also, it's a mental preparation that he already spoke about. If you are not prepared mentally, even you know that how you have to walk, how you have to talk, you are not going to deliver it perfectly. So mental preparation is most important, and he was so prepared mentally when we were on set. I am telling you that rarely I took any shot more than twice. Rarely I have to do that. In first take, maximum second take, he was pitch perfect. And I am telling you that keep your expectation high, very high, and I am sure, I am confident that he is going to surpass that.
There was one time especially where I had a very, very challenging time, because when I wrote the script, I wrote everybody's character, I wrote everybody's arc, everything. And for me, after Tinnadu, his name, becomes God's devotee, it was very easy for me. I knew what I was going to do. But how was I going to behave prior to that? was very challenging, and for that my director helped me a lot. He just gave me one exercise and we did it. And then I thought, yes, this is what my character is. So the first credit goes to my director.
ಸರ್ ಈ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ಯೂಮ್ ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಫುಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ಗೂ ಎಷ್ಟು ದಿವಸ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಂತ್ ಆಯಿತು ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು
There was a team in Hyderabad which worked on it, and to and fro we went on with a lot of things. But the character design, everything, costume design, everything, we started doing since 2015. This is how the character is going to be. This is how they'll be doing. Variations came last in 2023. It was challenging also because, see, in those days not every color was available. In India, indigo was a color which was very, very popular. How do you play around with those colors? So we went a little bit, we did a little bit.
No, how did you cast Prabhas for Prabhas this character suits, for Akshay Kumar this character?
See, Prabhas, he did it majorly because of the love for my father. Otherwise, being the biggest superstar in the country, he is the highest paid actor. Probably in Asia, he's one of the biggest paid actor, you know, with the way his movies are collecting and other things. When I approached him, I said, this is what you have to do. He said, I won't do that, but I'll do this easy. So he chose what he wanted to do. So I said, okay, fine, if this is what you want to do, this is what you do. And then I had to go around casting others for the other thing which he said, you know, you should get someone else for that.
ಕೆಲವು ಆರ್ಟಿಸ್ಟ್ಗಳನ್ನ ದುಡ್ಡಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಂಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಯು ಕಾಂಟ್